So here are some syntax rules that you should follow when you are creating DDL source. First, keywords must be all uppercase or all lowercase or in lowercase with an uppercase initial letter. For example, here select all letters are uppercase, then select first letter is uppercase, all other are lowercase, and select all letters are lowercase. So these kind of combinations of letters are allowed for keywords. And the combination that are not allowed is mix uppercase and lowercase. For example, here in this select the first letter is uppercase and the L is uppercase. So such kind of combinations are not allowed for keywords. If you want to comment a single line, then use 2 forward slashes, and if you want to comment out multiple lines, then in that case you have to enclose those multiple lines that you want to comment out by character slash star and star slash. CDS view names and SQL view names are not case sensitive and the maximum length is 30 characters. Literals. Number literals must always be specified in full and decimal point used as decimal separator if necessary. For example, here 1, 2.0, 0.5. All these numbers are allowed, but if you are writing number like 0.5, then that number is not allowed. If you are using character literals, then those character literals must enclosed in single quotation mark. Now let's see what are the naming rules that you have to follow. First, DDL source name. The maximum character length in DDL source name is 30 and all the letters must be always uppercase. CDS view name. Maximum length of character is 30. CDS view name is not case sensitive and it can be different from DDL source name, but it's not recommended to have CDS view name different from DDL source name. Maximum 16 characters you can have in SQL view name. SQL view name is not case sensitive and it should be different from CDS view name. Let's quickly go through the last topic that I want to cover in this video. When you define CDS view, you have two options to specify field list. Option 1, after keyword select and before keyword from. This corresponds to SQL standard syntax. Second option you have is you can enclose field list in curly braces after from clause of select statement. This is specialty of CDS syntax and allows improved auto completion support. Hence it is recommended to use second CDS specific syntax. Hence in this course, whenever I will write code for CDS, I will use CDS specific syntax. I hope now you have understood what are the syntax and naming conventions that you have to follow when you are writing code for core data services.